And Leah said, Here cometh a troop. And she called his name Gad.
Almost high tide. Hello again, Matt.
Overcome.
Hi, good morning to you, Jim and Rahel. Yes, high tide begins at 7 this morning, but it looks like it's starting a little bit early. If you take a look behind me, this is Simpson Avenue by 4th Street, and this did not look like this just a half hour ago. You could see the road just a half hour ago. Right now, it's completely submerged underwater. We don't know if that's necessarily because of high tide or maybe there's just so much water that the system underground just can't take it all. I wanted to take a little bit a look at some video over in Avalon, just over the 21st Street Bridge there. You can see that's another road that's flooded. It's one of several short points with roads, flooded roads this morning. Many people waking up to that, making driving difficult. In fact, some drivers are telling us that there is so much rain pounding the region that it's difficult to prepare for it.
Really nothing you can do. It's just a residual. It happens every time. We get a bad flood. It goes out with the low tide, and you can almost guarantee it's coming back. So there's not much you can do.
And so officials are warning drivers to take it easy this morning if they have to head out on the roads. Try not to go through any roads where there's water on it. It may be flooded, and it's difficult to tell exactly how deep it is. Reporting live in Ocean City this morning, Matt Petrillo, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
And Leah said, Here cometh a troop. And she called his name Gad. Overcome, Gad.